Hello, I'm Dennis Rawley, president of Augusta Seed. We're in Staunton, Virginia, and this is the 28th of May. And we're actually in a field that we're dealing with rootworm issues. We know this field was dying, and it was diagnosed as Southern Rootworm. First time I've ever seen them. 48 years of business. It's the first time that I'm aware of them, at least in our region. These are juveniles, and of course that's what's destroying the crop. They start out like this and then they get bigger. These worms are white right now as juveniles, and as they get bigger, the heads will have a black or brown head and a black or brown underbelly. This field's being killed by them, and in fact they've already made the decision and sprayed it to be able to replant it. This was used, this field had the Duracade technology, which is the finest rootworm technology you can use, but none of the rootworm technologies today are going to have any impact on the Southern Corn Rootworm. Problem with the Southern Corn Rootworm is that it's an extremely aggressive insect, and it starts so early in the plant cycle. We have never seen rootworms be a factor unless it was at tassel or beyond. This is happening 4 to 6 inches out of the ground. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to learn from it, and we're going to find out what our viable options are. One viable option, and we don't know how good it is, but we're going to find out, is we're going to come back and replant some of this with just Cruiser 1250 to get the highest level of seed applied insecticide that we can get. Then we're going to do some of it with force and use a 3 to 5 pound rate with force. And I'm not sure if we're going to be able to come in with capture or not. We would like to be able to do some capture and do it in furrow so that we would put it right down with the seed with the starter fertilizer. 1034O or whatever your starter fertilizer is if you're using it. And that seems to be a particularly effective way for some people are saying that that's a good thing. So we're going to find out what works here for Charlie on this field, and we'll report back to you.